Checking in and adding charges. Let's say Mr. Abel decided to get an early start and arrived at your campground today instead of tomorrow. Now you need to change the start date for his reservation and check him in. You can use the previous procedure to change the start date first, or you can just check him in. Since Campground Master knows that you don't normally check people in until they're here, you can save a step. Right-click on Abel's reservation. On the rack, it doesn't matter which part of the reservation for this operation, this menu will appear. Click on Check In and the prompt will appear. Click Yes or press the Enter key. Since they're not scheduled to arrive today, you'll see an extra prompt that you would normally see. Click Yes and you'll be asked if they're staying the same number of days as in the previous example. Click Yes or Enter to have them stay the same number of days. Now you'll be taken to the transactions dialog. Because we have auto raise enabled and set to automatically add charges on check-in, Campground Master has figured out the appropriate rate for the site and the length of stay and added the appropriate charges. They appear in blue to indicate they are auto charges. Now, assuming he's ready to pay the bill, we just need to enter the payment. Click the payment button and a payment entry dialog will appear. Notice that the amount is already filled in. They're going to pay the full amount in cash, so all you have to do is click Cash. Just select the payment type and click Save. If they are paying by another method, you could enter credit card details, check number, or other reference information if you like. The payment will be added to the transaction list. They probably want a receipt, so you need to print one. Click the Print Reservation Receipt button and a preview will appear. If you have a printer connected, you can go ahead and click the Print button, and then you'll see Windows Normal Print dialog. Click OK to print it out. Otherwise, just click Close on the preview window to cancel the printing. You'll notice that the paid through date has already been set since it now has a zero balance after a payment. The program automatically knows this. Click Done to finish up. Mr. Abel's reservation will now be shown in green to indicate that he's checked in. That's it, he's checked in and paid in full.